Hey everyone, if you are sending out marketing emails, listen up. Apple iOS 18.2 is finally here and it is shaking out how emails land in Apple Mail. With Apple Mail affecting more than half of the email clients globally, we're talking about any domains as long as you're using Apple Mail on an Apple device. This could affect your open rate and engagement rate big time. This isn't just small tweak. We're talking about AI-driven features, inbox tabs, and some sneaky unsubscribe prompts that could potentially increase your churn. So let me break it down for you. What's changing, why it matters, and how you can stay ahead of the curve. First up, let's talk about the big updates. First, we have AI summaries. Say goodbye to the pre-headers. Apple's AI will now summarize your emails automatically. So if you were banking on those catchy pre-headers to drive open and click, yeah, time to rethink that. And then we have unsubscribe suggestion. Apple's AI might actually suggest your users to unsubscribe from your emails. Not great for retention. Then we have tab inbox. I think you might be quite familiar with this with Gmail. Like Gmail, Apple Mail will now categorize emails into tabs, promotions, updates, and transactions. Meaning if your emails doesn't land in primary tab, your open rate might take a hit. And another two new features that I like to highlight: digest view and branded mail. Emails from the same sender will now get grouped together in something called digest view. And if you are a verified sender through Apple's Business Connect, your logo will now appear next to your emails. It's a nice touch to build trust and helps you stand out. So why should you care? These updates mean some of your emails might not get the attention they used to. Your promotions tab might now become email purgatory, but that's a silver lining. People who do click through are likely more interested, meaning they have high intent, so more conversions. So I guess this will be quality over quantity. Let's talk about how to get ahead of this. Subject lines are now everything. No pre-headers means your subject line has to do all the heavy lifting. Make it count. Make your subject line short, snappy, and attention-grabbing. Next, focus on live text over images. Apple's AI now pulls summaries from your email live text. So ditch those image-heavy designs and focus more on clean, readable copy. And most importantly, engage the engaged. The more your audience interacts with your emails, the better chance you have landing in their primary inboxes. Segment your list by engagement and reward your top subscribers. Last but not least, this is a quick win. Set up your branded mail icon. If you haven't yet, sign up for Apple's Business Connect and get your logo showing up next to your emails. It's a simple but yet powerful way to build trust and look more professional. And there you have it. I hope this video helps you to be ready and adapt early for these updates and make them work for you. If you want to dive deeper into these strategies, I have the full breakdown in my blog. Check out the link below in the description. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe for more email marketing tips. I hope to see you in the next one. Ciao.